A common reason for this error is lingering website data. To clear this, we can use the Disk Cleanup tool. Search for Disk Cleanup and launch it. This tool will also help clear online files associated with your browser. In the Disk Cleanup window, select all the relevant boxes, then click OK and confirm by clicking Delete Files. After that, open your browser. Navigate to your browser's history, usually found by clicking three dots or lines in the corner. Look for an option to clear browsing data. Set the time range to all time and ensure that cache and cookies are selected, then click Clear. Another crucial step involves managing proxy settings and VPNs. If you are using a third-party VPN, it is recommended to uninstall it temporarily. Next, let us disable the proxy. Right-click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. In the Settings window, go to the Network and Internet tab. On the left-hand side list, select Proxy. In the right pane, ensure that Automatically Detect Settings is turned on. Also, verify that any manual proxy setup is removed. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.